We know that more and more data is on the horizon. We know there's an increasing demand for digital homes, and we know that comfort and safety in our homes is an ever-growing need. We know that no house is the same, and the heating requirements differ on several aspects. At Grundfos, we are continuously working on new software features to implement in our pumps to meet the increasing demands of the digital age. This to help our customers bring heat to all types of houses efficiently and effectively. We believe that by adapting new technologies, we can make installation commissioning easier. In the heating industry, Grundfos faced the challenge with our customers to distribute heat in homes, making people feel safe and comfortable. Installation and diagnostic must be easy and as efficient as possible for the installer. In Grundfos, we continuously strive towards that goal. To satisfy today's demands, manufacturers must be ready to bring data between components and the system together and process relevant data in real time. That's why next-generation solutions will need to accommodate these demands by automatically communicate information from the pump or act on information from real-time data. Data has become key to ensure optimal long-lasting performance of the heating appliance. From collecting relevant information to translating data points into actionable insights, the UPM4 is our solution to accommodate the different needs of each individual location by using real-time data to maintain, monitor, or secure the operation. UPM4 is prepared for the future. New digital features under development will interact directly with the appliance, bring cloud data together for improved diagnostic optimization. These features will bring useful information to the installer who is doing commissioning or has an urgent need of getting information from the heating circuit. This to resolve downtime or optimize whether it's a gas appliance or heat pump. Some of the digital and cloud-based solutions will give insights to the installer which was not possible before. The UPM4 is in direct contact with the fluid and senses changes in the system or the appliance. Solutions which will bring a digital peace of mind. Today, with the Grundfos Go Balance, the system can be optimized for more comfort and more efficient use of the appliance. This is an already well-known solution which has been more and more in use as it's developed directly to optimize the system efficiency and bring more comfort for the end user. The UPM4 is in many ways more than just a pump. It's a response to the demands of the time.